What's up, nerds? Big Cat here. It's 8 a.m. and I find myself at Lowe's. Woohoo! As you can see. Anyways, here last night I heard the damn water running all night because of this nonsense. As you can see, if you don't know what this is the internal components of the hose attachment outside. So I'm gonna go in here and get new ones and replace them. All right. And then we'll catch up with you later once we do the repair, and we're going to bring you out to the range today. We're going to bring you to the dirt bike track, so be ready. All right, nerds. Big Cat here. Just finished up here at the house. Got the new stuff installed. It's hanging out the wall a little bit. I'm going to build the thing. I just wanted to be able to have it more attainable when I was working on it. What a process. It would take me a little while to go through and describe to you what I got going here. So the whole thing's done. It's no longer running all night and not leaking anywhere, so we're good. Now it's time to load up the trailer and load the scooter up and head to the track. We'll see you there. All right, nerds, continuing your day in the life of the Big Cat. Finally made it to the track. I wasn't sure we were going to be with the issues we had this morning with having to replace the spigot on the outside of the house for the hose because it was pulling water and everything. Out here we got the off-road bike there, shaking down some suspension setting changes that I did. I rode last week out in Pawnee, like free ride area, and it worked good, but we'll see how it works today, see if we can beat the Yamaha's time that I had around here. And truth be told, I'd rather be down in Colorado just ripping motos on the 450 getting ready for 2016, but suspension's still out, so here we are. Hey, it's fun to ride the off-road bike anyways, you know what I mean? We'll see you in a little bit. Alright, nerds, we're back at the house here. We're getting the stuff ready to go to the range, like I told you. So we're going to go out there and do some stuff. We'll get into here. Whoops. Just got a little flippity floppy in here with my equipment. Do, 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 do. And there's the G2. Boop, boop. Taurus Millennium PT 111 G2. So I'm going to drop the clip here and I'll let you go while I unload the home defense rounds.